everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into data cleansing before importing leads from Excel to Bitrix. Before you importing any data, it's crucial to ensure your Excel file in well structured, free from duplicates and properly formatted. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to clean and prepare your data to avoid errors and ensure a smooth import process. So grab a seat, hit the like button, and let's jump into today's topic. So before going to importing section, uh, so we will choose a proper format of a Excel sheet. So the Bitrix can understand only CSV format, not XLX format. So you can choose the Excel Excel data. In that Excel data, you can remove the duplicates, uh, and cleansing part. It's nothing but first thing is phone number. The phone number you can avoid the special characters, and you can choose a number format and then avoid the any decimal session. Next, coming to the email section, you can prefer suitable email formats. In our market, mostly using gmail.com or Yahoo or Outlook. Lot of formats are there. According to the formats, the Bitrix can understand. So proper format align into the email email row section. Next, coming to the date format also, the date the Bitrix can import it properly. Uh, you can choose the dot format. So that means, for example, today's date is 22. So uh, if you are importing, uh, sorry, so if you choose this format, the Bitrix cannot recognize this format. Definitely, you will get a error whenever you importing the data into the lead section. So that is the reason to you can choose the form cell and click the date, and then you can choose the dot format. Then only the Bitrix can understand this format only. So if you choose this format, email section date format, email section the phone number, so maximum errors will occurring in these three row section. And the remaining currency, maybe if you facing a challenge, currency sometimes do not understand the special symbols. So for that, you can avoid the special characters in the currency also. So like that, you can cleansing the data in the Excel sheet. After that, once the data cleansing is done, remove the duplicates by using the duplicate option in the Excel sheet. After that, you can save it and then directly importing into the Bitrix section by using this that file format. Again, ASCII value. Choose your default responsible person, or else you can uh, put it as an responsible person in their Excel sheet. In their Excel sheet, primarily focusing on customized fields as well as the what is that inbuilt fields. So if there is any inbuilt fields, you can simply go to the Bitrix in their lead section. What are the inbuilt fields? You can copy. Uh, mm, you can copy in their column section. So if there is any, for example, customized fields are missing, you can create the fields in the lead section and then you can import the data. For example, your data is in the customized fields, but the customized fields missing in the lead section, definitely you got an error. Why? Because whatever the column related rows field section is not available in the lead section, that is the reason to you will get an error. So you can, if it is any customized fields are missing, you can directly move on to you can directly go to the lead section and create the field. Then you can whenever the mapping section, you can choose proper mapping. So every time you can choose the comma separated. Why? Because our file is CSV format only. So every time you can choose the comma separated and the ASCII value. For like that, you can click the next button. After that, you can import your data mapping, and then you can importing all existing data or merging data or skip it. So like that, the third steps are is available in the import section. After that, if you click that next button, then importing is started. Once the importing is done, you can go to the lead section. After that importing section, you can choose your create on. You can choose the current date. Then after that, you can filter it. Whether the data is everything is coming from Excel sheet or not, you can choose by using the filter section. uh, Click the current date and then search it, then automatically the data will be displayed uh, after that importing the data. So you can filter it both as a Excel sheet as well as the in the Bitrix section. Then only you can properly understand the data is whether the data is landing properly or not. If you are missing the any data, you can again you can importing choose replacing existing, or you can choose a merging data. Like that, you can importing in the lead section. So this is the way to import the data into the Bitrix. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content like this. Got any thoughts or questions about cleaning data before importing to Bitrix24? Drop them into comments below, and I will be sure to get back to you. Catch you in next one, where we will continue exploring the best tools to optimize our workflow. Thank you.